Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kokum wine. We will cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final bottling. Making your own wine at home is a rewarding experience, and Kokum offers a unique, tangy flavor. Ensure all your equipment is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before you begin to guarantee a successful batch. Let's get started on this exciting journey. Now let's prepare the must, which is the base for your wine. If using Kokum syrup, 200 grams per liter of wine is ideal. For fresh fruit, aim for about 1.5 to 2 kilograms. Dissolve 800 grams of sugar in 3 liters of water by boiling. Once cooled, mix these ingredients in your sanitized fermentation vessel. This creates the perfect environment for yeast. With your must prepared, it's time for the magic of fermentation. Sprinkle your wine yeast onto the cooled must. Keep your fermentation vessel at a stable room temperature, ideally around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. The primary fermentation usually takes about 21 days. For a more refined flavor, allow for a secondary fermentation period of an additional 24 days. Congratulations! Your Kokum wine is almost ready. Once fermentation is complete, carefully siphon the clear wine, leaving any sediment behind. Filter it for a sparkling clarity, then bottle it into sterilized bottles, ensuring a small air gap at the top. For the best taste, allow your wine to age for at least 3 to 6 months. Patience will truly reward you with a delightful homemade Kokum wine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.